Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome back to Confessions of a Paper Addict 20 Days of Christmas Cut Files. We are on to day 8. This is going to be a quick one for me today. The theme is baking, and I went ahead and used the cut file called Build a Cut File. It's a brand new cut file, I believe, from this year's release. And I went ahead and I cut it comes, so to build it, it comes with this little area, which is the backing of it. And then you also get the inside parts with all the fun little bits and pieces. And that is the part that you build on top of. So I cut this part out twice. And then I used a special foil stuff that I got from Spiegel Mom Scraps. It just kind of looks like this. It peels off. And it's foil that you don't have to like heat emboss and do all the hard work to. So I went ahead and used that as well to work with it. And it's going to turn into, it's going in my December daily, but it's going to turn into a booklet some way, somehow, like just a little flip up. I'm just not sure because I'm not sure what day it is or anything like that. I'm not sure if it's going to need to open this way or this way, or maybe even this way. I don't know how I would do that with the, but maybe I could open it this way. Maybe I could open it this way. So I'm just not sure the way that it's supposed to, where it's going or anything like that. So I haven't attached it. When the time comes, I will do a simple, very, very simple trick where the fact is there will be a photo here and probably journaling here. That's my assumption. So I just use washi tape. I put the washi tape on this side and this side, and it would create a flip up. I've done those before. And if you need more information, you can ask me. There's a million ways to create little flaps and stuff if you're doing it yourself. I prefer the washi way, but there's lots of different ways. So that is what I've got there. I can show you, for example, like the way I cut it. This is a little 3x3 photo, so it would fit perfectly there as well. Like I could put that there and then have some journaling or whatever. My plan is to have a really large photo that I fussed to cut out through that, and then I'll flip it and you can see the photo and the journaling. That's my plan for it. Really love how this turned out. It was lots of fun to work with. I'll do something simple, like just add the number right here. I'm not sure that it will be day 4, but I will just do something like that for in my December daily when it's time to go. But I love it. I love Virginia's cut files for this. This was so simple to do, and it looks great. And I got some scraps used up from the Cocoa Vanilla Joyful collection as well, which is also a massive bonus for me. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, just a second, please. Don't forget that during this series, there is a discount in Virginia's shop, and make sure you check out all the links below so you can see what everyone else is doing today. Thanks so much. Bye, everyone.